Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ma'am. My name is Velia Friendly Christiani. My student number is 19071010131, and I'm from ESP Class C. In this occasion, I will explain about the topic that I've chosen, number 15, namely how the Internet of Things or IoT can be applied in the sector of healthcare. In this video, I will divide it into three parts. The first part is an explanation about IoT in the health sector, and the second part is about examples of application of IoT in the health sector, and the last part is about the advantages of IoT in the health sector compared to conventional healthcare. So, stay tuned! Internet of Things or IoT is a concept or program where an object has the ability to transmit data over network without using help of computer and human devices. The way the Internet of Things works is by utilizing an argument from a programming language algorithm that has been compiled, where every argument that is formed will result in an interaction that will help the hardware or machine in performing its function or work. Thus, the machine does not require assistance from humans anymore and can be controlled automatically. The most important factor in the running of the program lies on the Internet network, which is the liaison between the system and the hardware. The Internet of Things, or often referred to as IoT, is currently experiencing many developments, where the developments of IoT has spread to various fields, one of which is the health sector. The role of Internet of Things in health sector is extraordinary, for example, from the medical side. IoT-based health service allow doctors and paramedics to carry out remote monitoring in real time and early detection of emergency condition to be handled immediately. Remote patient monitoring technology is one of the efficient methods in reducing health costs. Health is an important part of the welfare of society. Health is also one of the basic human needs, in addition to clothing, foods, and shelter. Development in health service today make us aware that health is an important part of the welfare of society. There are so many examples of the application of IoT in health sector that we are very close to without realizing it. The following are some examples of the application of IoT in the health sector. 1. Smartwatch health device. Many people in their life are not interested in doing activities that can maintain and improve their health, with various kinds of busyness making each individual unaware of his health condition. Therefore, we need a device that can be used as an alarm for human health. Smartwatch health device is a development concept from the existing one by editing something more varied and modern. This tool can be an alarm for the quality of one's health before a drastic and unwanted health decline occurs, so it can be prevented with early knowledge. Users can retrieve data on the smartwatch health device manually or through sensors. For manual use, user can enter food intake and input data about daily calorie, sodium, fat, and carbohydrate intake. While the data is captured through the biosensor, it will be analyzed by AI, obtained through the body vital signs, checking body temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen level, respiratory rate, ECG, and blood pressure. The data will be captured by the smartwatch health device and then will be transmitted to the mobile device. Based from a source from Insider, a few examples of wearable smart health watch are Fitbit Versa 3, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and Apple Watch Series 6. What every of these devices include of our mental health tracking, exercise goals, movement reminders, health rate monitor, blood oxygen levels, stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, and so on.
Cardioband, a band for an Apple Watch, but it's actually a wrist-worn electrocardiogram machine. It's specifically designed to detect atrial fibrillation. That's when your heart kind of flutters instead of beating smoothly, and it's a key contributor to the future risk of stroke. This band is said to be about 87% accurate at detecting AFib, and like other products we've looked at, it's FDA cleared. AliveCor and Omron, who we just saw, work together. Their products can already create a single channel of information about your heart health for you or the clinician who would like to see it when something is outside the realm of normal.
Okay, next is Otohome. Otohome is an accessory that can be used like an otoscope, a tool used by a doctor to see the inside of patient ears. Otohome is an accessory made by Cellscope that can be used at home for people with ear problems. The trick is to take pictures and videos on the ear using the iPhone camera with the additional attachment of the otoscope on the phone's camera. After capturing image or video recording that are in the ear canal, the video can be sent to the doctor via email for later examination. The recorded footage can also be shared through an on-call auto-connect service. Then, the doctor will diagnose and prescribe medication. The medical cost will be determined later, but usually the remote treatment or examination can cost about $49. For now, Otohome is only limitedly available in the US. With the advent of Otohome, it can help families who live in remote areas and far from hospital or clinics. For children who are afraid of going to the doctor, who are ashamed of being looked into examined by a stranger who live in a distance, Otohome can be a real problem solver. They can quickly get a response from the doctor even though it is a long distance away and without a physical face-to-face interaction. Here is a little video snippet that I took from YouTube about how to use Otohome.
There's never a convenient time for your kid to get sick. In fact, doesn't it feel like they always get sick at the worst possible moment? When you're already stretched pretty thin and your little one starts tugging at his ear. It's hard to imagine when you could possibly squeeze in a trip to the pediatrician. But with Otohome, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Here's how it changes everything. Simply slide the Otohome onto your smartphone, twist on a tip, take a video, and send the video to a doctor on call. While you're snuggling with your child, a doctor checks out the video, responds with a diagnosis, and if needed, calls in a prescription to your pharmacy. That's it. These days, there's an app for everything, from banking to grocery shopping to finding reliable babysitters. And now, there's a way to help your child get the medical care they need, day or night.
Okay, the last application is Simmer2. A lecturer at the Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Brawijaya Malang, Eka Maulana, success in creating an integrated medical record system or Simmer2 based on IoT. This tool is an internet-based integrated medical record system and radio frequency identification that can be used for hospital management, clinic, and even puskesmas. Patient medical record data can be tracked and managed easily and precisely, because all information such as drug allergy, nurses, doctor, even the patient medical history are all connected to the hospital health service. Patient data is integrated into the system, and it can also be accessed from different hospital systems through a client-server-based internet network. In addition, hospital managers and health clients can monitor the performance of nurses and their employees. The purpose of making this Simmer2 is to improve service and reduce error in handling medical action, because this medical record system can present various kinds of patient information such as drug use, medical history, and this and the history of the treating doctor. By using IoT-based technology in the health sector, there are many advantages or benefits that can be generated by IoT in the health sector compared to conventional form of healthcare. First, the implementation of IoT in healthcare can reduce patient waiting time in a long hospital queue where you need to wait for hours to get the service you need. With the help of AI and IoT in healthcare, for starters, you can just make an online appointment, online consultation, and so on. IoT in healthcare can speed up complicated hospital procedure and data functionalities that can be quite time-consuming. By using IoT in healthcare, such as smart health watch, people can have more awareness about their health status. IoT in healthcare can connect medics from around the world and work as partner to give better service to patients remotely. The next advantage of IoT-based technology in the health sector is that data storage and maintenance becomes easier. Technology does not only make it easier for patient and medical personnel, but it also helps the healthcare provider side. With technology, it is easier for service provider to store important patient data, such as medical record or other important data. Healthcare providers can easily open and save data. Okay, the last advantage is improving public health degree. With faster and easier access, public health will certainly improve, especially the variety of information available on the internet. Plus, online health service can increase patient knowledge and make patients faster to treat. In addition, with the development of technology, medical devices are also progressing. Various kinds of medical devices that make it easier for doctors to diagnose and treat patients. Okay, this is the conclusion. With IoT-based technology applied to the health sector, we get many benefits. For example, it allows us to monitor health parameters intensively and continuously. In addition, IoT-based technology make it easier for medical personnel and patients to carry out their work. So, use technology properly and correctly. Okay, that's all for my presentation about IoT in the health sector. Sorry if there are many mistakes in word and pronunciation. I'm Velia Friendly Kristiani. Thank you.